So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to scroll down and then click on this PC. Now you want to find your Windows drive. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. You want to right click on it and then click on Properties and then click on Tools and then click on Check and then click on Scan Drive. You want to scan your drive for any errors. Wait for this to load, and then once that's been done, we can now resolve this. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator and then click on yes, and then once you're on this, you want to type in sfc /scan now and then click on enter, and you now want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And then once that's been done, now you want to type in DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health and then click on enter. And you now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And then once you complete both those scans, for the last step, you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.